Good day everyone. So today we'll talk about implementation of ID sampling rate converters. So first let us dive in with the concept uh, concerning our activity for today. So it's a multi-rate sampling. So a multi-rate DSP system uses a multiple sampling rates within its system. So as we can see on our block of codes here, we have the ability or the chance to input our variables, which are the up sampling factor, down sampling factor, the length of the input signal, and the frequency of the first and the second sinusoidal. And after which we have this equation, which is responsible for creating or instantiating the value of x with respect to the value of the pi and the first and second sinusoidal. After which we'll take our y as the resampled value of x with respect to our upsampling and downsampling factors. Then after which we'll plot them. So what happens here is we take our input signals and then feed it to our system, which has the equations, and there will be a alteration of the code, which we will see after we will run this particular set of codes. So first, since we have the ability to enter our input values, we'll take our upsampling factor, or we will indicate it as 3. Then our downsampling factor would be 2. Then for the length of our input signal, let's try 40. Then for the first and second sinusoidal, we'll try 0.01 and 0.03 respectively. So let's wait for the simulation. As we can see here, there is a much more set of points with the output sequence compared to our input sequence. So you can see there are a lot of more points here on our output system compared to our input. And for us to be able to analyze it properly, let's look at our workspace values. So as we can see here, all of our classes or the classes of our value is considered as double, and we have an array here, and then this and our x and y values are also an array or a series of numbers. So that's it. What happens here is we are taking values or inputs, then we either upsample it or downsample it, uh, of course in relation or with respect to the given values that we gave earlier, which are the upsampling and downsampling factor. If we are to make the downsampling factor bigger, then we would have a different visualization here wherein the output sequence has less data points. So that's it for our experiment for today. Thank you very much.